Oh my God, a car was out of control and rolling down a hill when someone jumped through the window to stop it. I found this video of a really bouncy minivan.
My God.
Big Apton.
My God, big one of my subscribers sent me a video of a spider bouncing on their web. Some spiders will bounce like this as a defense mechanism when they're scared.
2, 1, see ya.
It went a little right. Ran a little bit up a
These food delivery robots seem to keep having issues.
No way.
Company built hundreds of mini castles to turn them into luxury homes, but the company went bankrupt in 2018 and they still stand there today.
And we're like in the mountains too, so it's like beautiful out here.
This is pretty scary. How would you like to run into this guy underwater? We now have the ability to turn humans into diamonds by using the cremated ashes from a loved one.
The ashes then go into a custom-made graphite crucible where it is turned into pure carbon.
It's high pressure, high temperature, and over time, it's going to be transformed into a raw diamond.
One of our master cutters takes the rough diamond and cuts the exact shape and size out of that rough diamond.
My only goal in life is to be as happy and carefree as this little bird. I see this video. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of their day. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon later.